apartment. I just got a new apartment. Obviously, this is the door. As you walk in, I have these gorgeous grey walls, which I absolutely manifested. Primarily because I was expecting orange, peach, etc, yellow walls, as you would have it in a region like this. I'm just gonna walk back to show you the overview from the door. This is a bachelor with a kitchenette and obviously a bathroom. As we walk into the door, it leads us straight into our bedroom. My bed is gonna go right there, as you'd have it. The walls are freshly painted. Absolutely love it so much, guys. The light, as you guys can see, the light is incredible. It's exactly what I manifested, and I didn't think I'd find a place like this, but nothing is impossible when grace locates you, guys. So I'm gonna give this a kind of a hotel feel, because in a hotel everything is in one room. So here we're gonna have our bed. As you can see, I have a double bed. Then I'm thinking of getting a headboard. Not too sure of the colors, but we're gonna bounce off the grey. And then I'm gonna have one nightstand, because obviously I'm gonna have to open my door so that whatever I put there doesn't obstruct the traffic coming that way. Then obviously we have a power port, so I can be on my phone the whole day, on TikToks, then for you, so forth, so on and so forth. Then to the left of the bed space, we have a double doored wardrobe, built in obviously. It's not enough space for me, but it will suffice, as you guys know. So up top here, those are the colors I didn't want. I didn't want those colors, guys. It is lilac to the utmost degree. So I'll probably put my suitcases up in there, or clothes I'm not going to be wearing in the season. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves, and they're quite deep. So I'm still going to enjoy that with all my junk, as you guys know that I have. And then this side is hanging space. I don't want to lie. I have a huge ass suitcase that I have to sort in here, or store in there rather. But I'm okay with it, guys. This is temporary. It's not my forever home. It's close to messy. Then where we're gonna go? Oh, this is a barn door to the bathroom, but we're gonna come back to that. Over here, guys, I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here, but I think the cables for the TV. Yeah, I think this is for DSTV. So I don't know. I'm thinking of putting a little occasional chair there, but I'm not going to do measurements today because like the handover was today. So I'm thinking an occasional chair there, and then maybe a little television set up there, or an extra closet. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with the place, but again, luxury hotel feel, that's what we're going for. Yeah, that vibe. Just to maximize the space and make it comfortable, not too cluttered. Minimalist, but not too minimalist. Maximalist, but not too maximalist. Something in the middle. Minimaxilist? I don't know. But we've got a PowerPoint there as well. I love the fact that it's silver so that it blends the grey, freshly painted grey walls. And look at the lighting, guys. I just love the light in here. Then another wall. So we've got all this space coming from this side. Let's see that. So we could do something there. Obviously extend our kitchenette. Our kitchen has some nice display units. As you guys can see, there's 4 compartments. I can use this for glasses and dishes, my cute ones, just for display. There's an extra one here. Maybe I can get a vase. Nothing I hate more in the world than having to utilize that space. I hope I don't have to. I'm going to try to minimize the stuff that I bring with me from home. Then we've got this honeycomb patterned grey black backsplash. Then we have it there, and then have a single sink. This is like a bachelor, guys. I'm a bachelorette here. I'm simply here to work. Nothing more, nothing. And that leads us to our cupboard. So, why is there a PowerPoint underneath the sink? I don't know the building standards of it now, but I can put some storage in there. I'll put stuff in there under the sink, and then we have more cupboards. I don't know that enough because I probably have like 4 pots or less. Then this is another place that we have to measure the window just for some privacy, but I think I'm going to get a lace curtain. I can get a lace curtain and a curtain, but it's in the kitchen, guys. I hate the thing from this side, but it's got a double railing, which I absolutely appreciate. Then we go to one of my favorite features of this place. The paint job is shabby, however, and it's long, but they've got these beams, exposed beams type of thing on the ceiling, so that's kind of interesting. I wish they'd also painted it black, grey, or even white. That would have been nice, but yeah, we'll be up, and I'm so happy, guys. The lighting. And then we go to my favorite part of this whole apartment. We've got a barn door here that we will open, so it slides across to sit like that, and I can just, yeah. Then, as we walk in, the first thing that greets us is this gorgeous square of sink. I'm going to have to get a curtain for here as well, so I'm going to have to, let me just try a different angle, there you go. I want some blinds, because there's a house right here. I want some blinds though. I'm not too sure what it is getting in the bathroom, but I'm going to have to have a contingency plan, stand privacy. Obviously running water metal with the hot water, cold water. Then to this side we have a toilet, flushing toilet, which is so clean and it's new, so, and it's white, so I don't know. Can do something here, just something small. Perhaps the washing basket is gonna go in here. I want to get my fluorescent mirror and utilize it here or on this side. Don't know where the light is going to be hitting, but I'm gunning for this side, so I can give you guys full OOTDs. So please, creating content. This thing is cutting me off because I think I'm running out of space on my phone, but I'll try to be quick. This is my shower. Got this beautiful nude beigeish tiled wall. And the tiles look like that on the floor. Water pressure is doing great. Obviously, I'm going to change this curtain to something cream or nude. Yeah, so this is our shower. Yeah, I'm happy with it. And the water pressure is does great. I haven't spent the night here, obviously, but I just ran it. And yeah, it's working for everybody. I'm speaking in a confidential voice because there's people and I don't want them to know my business. So, hi Cheese, you guys haven't seen me so long and I literally just knocked off work. I'm literally dressed like a hobo. But now that I've got my own place that is going to change, we're going to have OOTDs, going to create so much content in Splat, and I really want to thank God for this. This is all that I wanted and more. And yeah, what else did I want to say? Oh, I came from court and today I won my first trial. It's been a long month of getting guilty, sentenced to 7 years, 6 years, But today I got a discharge, so I'm so happy. I hope you guys enjoyed my empty apartment tour. I'll see you in the next one.